Hello and welcome to another video for Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we're going to be assembling this E-100 here, the paper Panzer. So here we go. This one I've assembled already. In this video we'll be covering two listings, the one without skirts and then the one with skirts. So the assembly process is exactly the same, it's just a minor detail that's different. So it comes with this part, this, and this. These parts are ready to go, but this part you need to go like this and cut the sprue. And done. That part's ready and done. The only part that requires a little more attention is the gun. Underneath the gun, take and clip away this support material. So you can see how I'm doing that. I'm just clipping away this material. Cutting that. Great. Now for this, I'll go again and make sure I've clipped away everything that's needed to be clipped away. Yep, so we did that. Now the next part is the gluing together step. Let's go ahead and put some glue here. So you see how I did that? That goes in the back, this goes in the front, and then you just place it like that. And we'll let that dry off to the side for now. Up next, let's put some glue here, here, and get some of these edges glued too, whatever. So you can see how it should be like that. This just be in the middle and this in the front. Well, that's done. So next, let's go ahead and put some glue here and here. We're putting this back piece on. Great, you see how that was done. Now go ahead and put some glue on the side there. Just put this piece together. Then we'll put some more glue on the side there. And then put that like that. Squeeze it together. There you have it, both of them available at miniaturetanks.com. The skirt version and the one without skirts. Thanks so much.